Hello, Namaste, welcome back. Welcome to lesson number 23 of our course. Let's get started with the title. The title is a question. Ravi ko jante ho? Do you know Ravi? Ravi ko jante ho? Now, Ravi, for your information, is a student and he is in 10th grade. Now, who is asking this question and why? All that we will see later in the lesson story. For now, let's just concentrate on the structure. Ravi को जानते हो? Do you know Ravi? Now, Ravi in this sentence is an object, right? And in the last lesson, we saw that if the object is living entity, a person or an animal, then it will be followed by a ko. That's why Ravi ko. Right? Now, janna, the verb we have used here, jante is the verb janna. Janna, to know. Infinitive form, na, we have removed, and present simple conjugation, jante. Ho with tum. Tum Ravi को जानते हो? रवि को जानते हो और तुम रवि को जानते हो? Do you know Ravi? Right? Now, जानना, to know. J is a consonant equivalent to English J. J with a vertical bar, it became ja. With n and again a n with a vertical bar, na. Ja, n, na, janna. Right? Janna, the verb, can be used in three ways. First one, to know someone. Example sentence, do you know Ravi? Right? The first case is our lesson title. Second thing, to know how to do a skill. And the third one is to know about something or a fact. Right? These two we will discuss in this lesson, and this we will discuss later in the course. There's not much difference, just 1-2 extra things you have to learn here, and I don't want to teach everything in one lesson. All right, so let's concentrate on these two things. Let's discuss first to know someone. How do we use to know someone? क्या तुम रवि को जानते हो? Do you know Ravi? क्या तुम पापा को जानते हो? Do you know my father? मेरे पापा को। क्या तुम ओबामा को जानते हो? Alright. Now let's discuss the second one. This is simple. The person you know will be followed by a ko, and the verb will be conjugated in the tense. Present simple here. Do you know? Okay. The second thing is to know how to do. Or to have a skill. Now, I know how to read Hindi. मैं हिंदी पढ़ना जानता हूँ। हिंदी पढ़ना जानता हूँ. The verb representing the skill will be in infinitive form. We have seen this in चाहना, to want. मैं जाना चाहता हूँ, I want to go. Similarly, मैं पढ़ना जानता हूँ, I know how to read, and जानना will be conjugated. And let's do one more example. मैं लिखना जानता हूँ, I know how to write. मैं हिंदी बोलना जानता हूँ, I know how to speak Hindi. मैं खाना बनाना जानता हूँ, I know how to cook food. Right? So these are the examples. I hope it is clear. We will see more sentences like this in the lesson. So I wanted to explain in advance, right? These two things. Now let's go to the lesson story. So the lesson story tells us about a summer camp. In our previous lessons, we have seen that exams were taking place at the school, and typically after exams, schools in India organize summer camps during summer vacations, and our school will be doing the same. In this camp, there will be a few activities like swimming, photography, and guitar music lessons. And Raju needs some volunteers, some students who can assist teachers in these activities. And to be a volunteer, one should have basic skills in these fields, swimming, photography, music, etc. All right. Now, how does he ask students about their skills? We will see in this lesson. There are 5 sentences. I will read them. Try to repeat after me. Now pay attention to the verb जानना. Alright? Let's read. कोई तैरना जानता है या गिटार बजाना? कोई तैरना जानता है या गिटार बजाना? Then someone asks a question. आप रवि को जानते हैं? Someone is asking Raju. आप रवि को जानते हैं? वो 10वीं में है. वो 10वीं में है. वो अच्छा गिटार बजाता है. वो अच्छा गिटार बजाता है. वो तैरना भी जानता है. वो तैरना भी जानता है. हाँ, लेकिन सब कुछ वो अकेला नहीं कर सकता. हाँ, लेकिन सब कुछ वो अकेला नहीं कर सकता. Now let's discuss the structure and the grammar in these sentences. The first one is कोई तैरना जानता है या गिटार बजाना? कोई तैरना जानता है? A question. या गिटार बजाना कोई is someone. In a negative or in a question, it can be translated as anyone. तैरना, the verb is तैरना, तैरना, to swim. Alright? जानता है, does someone know how to swim? कोई तैरना जानता है. Now let's make more sentences. कोई हिंदी बोलना जानता है. Does someone know how to speak Hindi? Does कोई खाना बनाना जानता है. Does someone know how to cook? Alright? कोई कविता लिखना जानता है. Does someone know how to write a poem? Alright? या और या गिटार बजाना, गिटार बजाना. Guitar, we can use the English spelling. गिटार बजाना, बजाना again a verb, to play. Does someone know how to swim or how to play guitar? कोई गिटार बजाना जानता है. Alright? Now let's see the second sentence. आप रवि को जानते हैं. आप रवि को जानते हैं. Now, a student is asking Raju, do you know Ravi? And why he is asking this? He is in 10th. वो 10वीं में है. वो 10वीं, we have already seen 10वीं, 10th ordinal number 10वीं में है. और masculine 10वां, and for a feminine 10वीं, because class grade is feminine, that's why 10वीं, वो 10वीं में है. he is in 10th grade and वो अच्छा गिटार बजाता है. वो अच्छा गिटार बजाता है. He plays guitar nicely. Alright? He plays guitar nicely. Now, the sentence we have is वो तैरना भी जानता है. वो तैरना भी जानता है. तैरना, to swim. He also knows how to swim. Alright? It seems that he's an all-rounder. वो तैरना भी जानता है. He also knows how to swim. Then Raju is responding, लेकिन सब कुछ, लेकिन we have done लेकिन, but सब कुछ, everything, सब is all, and कुछ is something, and सब कुछ together is everything. लेकिन सब कुछ वो अकेला नहीं कर सकता. अकेला नहीं कर सकता. लेकिन सब कुछ वो अकेला नहीं कर सकता। अकेला, अकेला is an adjective. Alone. For feminine it will be अकेली। वो अकेला नहीं कर सकता, नहीं कर सकता cannot do, but he cannot do everything. He alone cannot do everything, or but he cannot participate in all the activities. Alright, I hope it is clear. So here we saw तैरना, बजाना। क्या तुम गिटार बजाना जानते हो? Do you know how to play guitar? क्या तुम तैरना जानते हो? Do you know how to swim? We can ask questions, can form questions like this using the verbs we have already learned. Try to make new sentences on your own. This will help you. Now let's go to the next page. Explanation notes. You can check these sentences. Alright, this is the translation. He cannot do everything alone, or he cannot participate in everything. Right? Now let's see the grammar. Here I have simply given more examples. Let's read these examples. You know someone? वो वहाँ अध्यापकों को जानता है। वो वहाँ अध्यापकों को जानता है। अध्यापक, plural. अध्यापक, plural also अध्यापक with को, apposition, oblique form, अध्यापकों को। He knows the teachers there. वो मेरी बहन को जानता है। बहन is sister. He knows my sister. मेरी बहन को जानता है। Question. क्या तुम मेरी बहन को जानते हो? क्या तुम मेरे पापा को जानते हो? क्या तुम मेरे अध्यापक को जानते हो? क्या तुम मेरी अध्यापिका को जानते हो? क्या तुम रवि को जानते हो? राइट? क्या तुम राम के दोस्त को? राम का दोस्त with को. Now, dost will not change. Singular. Alright? And not ending with a. So, oblique form will be also dost. Ka will change, but Ram ke dost ko. You know Ram's friend. Now, second thing is how to do something. वो गाड़ी चलाना जानता है. He knows how to drive. चलाना is a new verb for you guys. चलाना to drive. गाड़ी, the car. वो गाड़ी चलाना जानता है. He knows how to drive. हम फेल होना नहीं जानते. We don't know how to fail. फेल होना, to fail. Alright? वो खाना बनाना जानता है. He knows how to cook. Now, let's do the exercise. वो स्कूल की सब लड़कियों को जानता है. I have given an example. We have to fill the form of these nouns here. वो स्कूल की सब, he knows all the girls, all the lady teachers. अध्यापिकाएं, plural. So, अध्यापिकाएं. Here we are revising the oblique case with को. अध्यापिकाओं को. लड़कियां को, लड़कियों को, अध्यापिकाओं को। He knows all the ladies teachers in the school. हम 10वीं के सिंगुलर छात्र, 10वीं के छात्र, छात्र will be छात्र only because it's not ending with a masculine noun singular, so it will not change. वो घर के सब लोग, सब लोग plural, घर के सब लोगों को। Alright, plural. If it was सब सब alone, वो घर के सबको, सब लड़कों को, boys, लड़कियों को, he knows all the girls in the house, he knows all the boys in the house, right? But लोग is always plural, so वो घर के सब लोगों को जानता है। हम शहर की सब जगह है, जगह, जगह है is a place. हम शहर की, city, शहर is city. We know all the places in the city. हम शहर की सब जगहों, जगह is a feminine, and we have seen guy, kitab, feminine nouns ending with a consonant. Similarly, जगह, feminine noun ending with a consonant. हम शहर की सब जगहों को जानते हैं. We know all the places in the city. Alright, so this was the exercise, and that's all for this lesson.